On top our tori for today, Presido Buhari don tell them for Libya say Naija dey Gidigba for their back. On top the work wey Libya dey face to take fight dem political and security katakata, Presido Buhari don tell them say no shaking as Naija go give them better support to take stand well. Presido Buhari talk this one for head of Libya's government of National Accord (GNA) Dana Fayez al-Sarraj for the bilateral meeting wey dem get on top margin for African Union Summit, the one wey shele for Niamey for Niger Republic. President Buhari talk many things upon the devil wey dey shele for North African country and the issue wey dey between Naija and Libya. With al-Sarraj, as e be say e don clear say over 6,000 Naija pipo na im dey Libya, as dem dey see Libya as passport wey dey go take enter Europe. Presido talk say the katakata wey we dey face for security matter and Lake Chad wey don dry don affect over 30 million people for Lake Chad area, as e be say many of the people wey dey there dey depend on top the lake for farming, fishing, poultry matter, and this one don make many Nigeria leave desert to go dey cross Mediterranean Sea and Sahara Desert to go Europe. When Presido Buhari dey with United Nations Secretary General Amina Mohammed, e tok say the work wey international community need to do na to recharge the lake make water for dey flow, and say the countries wey dis dry up dey affect no go fit pay the money alone. Buhari talk on top the terrorist attack wey dey happen for Sahel countries, say the way Libya no take dey stable, e dey affect Sahel. Head of Libya's government of National Accord (GNA), e tell Presido say many people don die and injure well for im country, and say im government ready gidigba to end dis dirty matter. E talk say the solution no be military matter alone, as dem too dey face terrorism the way Nigeria dey face am too. As Sarraj come talk say Libya don contribute to how African Union take tanda and survive, and the time don reach for African Union dem make dem help Libya make e take stand with im 2 legs. Deputy Secretary General Amina Mohammed tell Presido Buhari say the security matter wey dem dey face for Africa dey affect dem, and this one no dey help the countries dem dey achieve wetin oyinbo dey call Sustainable Development Goals (SDG). Dis na the things wey every country dey put for ground to take get all the basic things wey the life of the people wey dey the country go take dey well. She talk say United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres e go host SDG Summit for high-level week of the 74th section of General Assembly for September, and dem go use dis kind opportunity to take check how dem go fit meet up on how they wan take deliver sustainable development goals for all the country wey dey Africa. Deputy Secretary come still salute Presido Buhari on top the signing of the African Continental Free Trade Area (AfCFTA) agreement, the one wey e sign for the African Union Summit for Niamey. She talk say the whole world dey look Naija for high. Na here we see the better informate reach on top our tori for today, as Presido Buhari don tell Libya say no shaking, say Naija dey Gidigba for their back. And if una wan dey hear dis ogbonge tori dey go, make una no forget to subscribe, like and follow our videos for YouTube on top T Live Media TV, and I'll still follow us waka on top Facebook and like our page for T Live Media.